What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have these new Injora Super Swampers on the bench. So these were given to me by my friend RC710 on Instagram at one of our local crawls. So he gave out prizes and luckily I guessed the right number 2, and I walked away with a set of Injora Super Swampers. So these are new. On the Scythe build I currently have the Scramblers. I just want to change it up, so we'll install these real quick. So here is a close-up of the tread on the Super Swampers. As you can see, it says Super Swamper on the sidewall, and then it says Astra Hobby. So this is probably, I don't know why it says Astra Hobby, but it's on there. This is about the same height. It's a little bit taller. Look at it this way. It's a little bit taller than the Scrambler. I'm gonna run it with the stock foams in them, and we'll just see how it goes. These Scramblers right here that I have on the Scythe build, I've had them for probably about over a year, and I think I need to kind of just swap them out. So here is another look at the Injora Super Swampers on the right and the RC4 Drive Scramblers on the left. As you can see, the tread pattern is quite a bit different. Maybe it looks a little bit directional. I don't know if it's directional on the Super Swampers, but it definitely is directional on these Scramblers. Let's see, let's check the height again. It's about the same. It could be a little bit taller on the Scramblers. They're just so worn out and old. I don't know. But overall, it should be a pretty easy swap over. This little lip around here seems pretty thick compared to the RC4 Drive Scramblers. So we'll see how they fit on these RC4 Drive stamp steel beadlocks with the full send wheel weights. On the right is the Super Swamper Injora tire with stock foams, and on the left is RC4 Drive Scrambler with cut foams. And so as you can see, those give a little bit of squish, and these don't really give much squish. So we're gonna run them with the stock foams and see how they perform. But overall, they feel pretty cool. I guess they do look a little bit smaller now. Now that they're all mounted up, the Scramblers do look a little bit bigger, but I'm excited for these. So there are the Injora Super Swampers on the Scythe, and it looks pretty cool. I was kind of thinking about the height I would lose, but it looks like it kind of retained all of its height, swapping out the Scramblers for the Super Swampers, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now all we gotta do is go outside, crawl, and see how they perform. Alright, so here you are with the Scythe out on the rocks. We're going to be testing the Super Swampers by Injora.
We're going to this little trail right here. On the road again. We try to do it coming this way though to get the sun in our faces. Yeah, I want to get some. I was thinking about ordering me some methods, some English. There's a smart girl with this, but I was like, nah. Oh yeah, dude! And then fucking green. That monkey? You see that monkey one?
I'm good. Thanks, though.
I think it's cool.
Thanks.
You know RC Steve?
Yeah?
Yeah, fucking, he has a steer like that.